All right, we are going to talk about representing numbers with tally marks today. If you would all please get onto the shared Google slides, we can go from there. All right, tally marks are a way of representing numbers in a more of a visual format than just the number itself, showing the group of individual ones counted in a group of 5. For every 4 lines, there are 4 vertical lines, up and down. And for every 5th line is one slanted across the 4. And as you can see down at the bottom, there's a 1, 2, 3, and 4 that correlate with the 4 lines, and then the 5th one is slanted across. Like I said before, every single one is represented by a single tally. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a slant over the 5th, and it continues with the 6, going 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, all the way down to 10 with 5 plus 5. And you can count by 5s to count faster than just by 1s or 2s to get your number at in a quicker manner. Now for this, I'm going to represent the number 3 with the tally marks given and place them in the box. I'm going to drag them in to represent them. So 1, 2, oh, it's going behind the square. Cool. I'm just gonna, okay, cool. 1, 2, 3, and then I'll put it in a text box and just do the number 3. All right. Now for you to try, I'm gonna go to the next slide, and you can go ahead and drag over the correlating lines and you have to get out of the presentation format. All right, perfect. 6. Now for the next one, we're going to practice using tally marks to represent numbers, but with a group of something shown. So here we have pennies. So I'm going to count the pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and represent that in the box here. And then I'm going to drag the tally marks. Let's see, transparent. I'm going to drag the tally marks into the box that represents number 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then I'll drag one of the oh, look at that. I'll drag one back, and remember to do the 5th one with a slanted tally mark. All right. Now, for the next one, you can go ahead to the next slide and do it with the apples.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job.
6 and 7.
Alrighty, good job. Are there any other questions on tally marks and how they can represent groups of objects, numbers itself? Alrighty, and all you'll have to do for homework is submit into the Dropbox the worksheet having you practice with tally marks. Alrighty. This was the lesson on tally marks. How do I where's the, okay, bye.